What's good, traders? Another day, another W. In today's video, I'm going to break down how I made $600, just below $600 actually, in under 30 seconds. This itself is my fastest trade that I have done this year so far, and this is another NFP trade. So last month, if you saw, we did an NFP trade and killed it. This month, we did it again, and this time we upped the risk and made a lot more money. And when I say up the risk, in my account size, it didn't really risk that much, but we tried to make as much money as possible this month. So that sets us up really, really nicely for this month. And I'm going to break it down and show you exactly how I've traded this pair and how I was able to milk gold quite nicely. So just looking at the market straight away, we need to look at the daily bias, right? And the daily bias, I'm gonna be honest. I'm bullish. I was bullish, but I knew that NFP will sweep some sort of lows, and I was looking for Asian lows to get swept. And so if I go to the 15 minutes quickly and we mark our Asian lows, I knew that these lows here would definitely get swept. And so we didn't really get that as soon as NFP occurred. As soon as NFP occurred, we actually got the opposite reaction. We actually ended up having London highs getting swept. So London highs got swept, and I saw that big body at 130, right? NFP released, huge body up, and then obviously you always want to wait for candlestick to close to kind of show you what direction the market's going to go next. And I know that when NFP, I've been trading NFP for 5 years, so I kind of know that the initial reaction is obviously where the market's most likely going to go, but then what's going to happen is going to try and grab liquidity and grab a lot of traders out and stop them out as fast as possible. So then what I did was I still want to trade with my protocol. I'm not going to just risk a trade and try and place a trade based on just luck. I wanted to make sure it is still part of my strategy and I'm still going to make as the money that I wanted to make. So then I've marked down, okay, liquidity high, obviously we swept liquidity, London highs, boom. We need to wait for this candlestick break of structure right here, okay? So I'm waiting for this break of structure right here, which we then get on this candlestick. And as soon as I scored that break of structure, all I did is I waited for price to get up. Didn't really get exact entry because of spread and slippage, and just literally mashed like a few buttons and just held this trade. And now because it is an NFP trade, I ended up well, my initial goal was, okay, because it's NFP, I'm just going to close as soon as this candlestick closes. So if this candlestick closes at break even, it's calm. If candlestick tries to break me out, it's calm. I don't really care. I haven't risked that much compared to what I normally do on a normal trade. And so you can see we just smashed. It was almost a 1-to-2 risk ratio, so basically made double of what I risked. And it was a really, really smooth trade. And then you can see clearly that this one here was just the small trade, quick trade, 30 seconds trade, which made us good enough money. But then you can see that gold ended up ended up pushing right back up to London session. London highs, didn't really get to London highs. But then what happened? We ended up coming down again, giving us another good entry, possibly over here. If I just get the fib tool out, you would see that it reacts really nicely on one of our fib levels. Boom, at our 78.6 fib level. Could have easily got like some sort of entry around this area. And then you can see the better trade would have been if, let's say, we entered off I don't know, just a huge bullish push back. Do we get any liquidity sweeps? We swept this liquidity low, push up, come back down right here. Maybe probably would have got entry. If you guys don't know my strategy, make sure you click the link in the description below. On the Discord server, I have a mentorship program which we bring in a couple students in and we teach them the strategy. But if not, I'm always live every single day, Monday to Friday, and I always share my strategy there as well, completely all transparent on that live stream. And you would have seen that this would have been a better trade. It's still not the best. It's like around what, 1 to 2.36 risk ratio. I mean, same thing, right? Same good trade. But honestly, guys, I'm pretty cool today. I don't really like to trade after news. Like, I wasn't actually meant to trade today either. I just saw, what I do is I'll have a look, I'll have a look. And today I saw my protocol. went for execution, and we ended up placing a trade. Yesterday, ended up not placing a trade yesterday because of hesitation. So today I was like, I'm not going to hesitate. We're just going to go for it. It was a riskier trade, just because it was NFP and it could have easily reversed on me. But I stuck to my rules and stuck to my guns. And as soon as that candlestick closed, I just said, it is what it is. Even if it continued to tank down, I wouldn't have minded. Just wanted to secure that profit. So that was really, really good of me. I'm really, really happy that I closed as soon as the candlestick closed. I was like, what is what it is. And you would have seen that if I didn't close it as soon as candlestick closed, I would have ended up having a break-even trade, or possibly price just hitting my stop loss, because of the way market was moving very, very fast. So didn't even get to see the charts at this moment. Literally placed a sell. 30 seconds later, I just closed all the trades as soon as I saw that the time was done. Didn't even get to see the charts, didn't even get to move my stop loss to break even. So it was a very, very fast trade. I don't really like fast trades like this. I only do it when it's like preferably like news, or like I know that there's a lot of volatility. But still a fantastic crazy week in the markets. We are up like 9R in the markets in the past 2 weeks. Haven't had a loss. This year alone, we haven't lost a single month. Or I was showing the Discord server, we actually haven't had a failing or losing month so far, which is really, really good. Touch wood, we continue. And if you guys are not part of that Discord server, make sure you click the link that's down below. If you are a unprofitable trader, or you're trying to boost your career to a level where you can make a lot of money, like what we do on a regular basis, like you see on the YouTube videos, make sure you click the link in the description below, because this server we literally have like-minded traders just like you guys who want to make money. And I've literally seen guys, traders that are unprofitable turn profitable within like 2 weeks. So not only are they following my trades, but they're actually learning how I am trading. They're learning the way my mindset is, the way I'm disciplined. Like a few days yesterday, I missed the opportunity, could have revenge traded, would have made profit, but I said to myself, no, I'm going to follow my rules. And doing that has actually helped a load of traders do the same thing. So we set examples, we set the bar high, and we always make sure that I'm sharing value to you guys. So if you love the value that I'm giving on YouTube, the Muller FX Wealth Club is like 50x more value. So if you guys want to be part of that, make sure you click the link in the description below. I promise you guys, you will not regret it. I have so many testimonials of traders just loving the Discord server. If you go check that out on my Instagram as well. If you are not part of this YouTube community, I mean, you are missing out on free game, free trading gems, free value. Make sure you click subscribe, like this video. And guys, honestly, have a great weekend. I'm probably going to go out, splash out a little bit, enjoy a little bit. And then we're going to come back on Monday and kill the markets again. And we're going to hopefully my goal is to try get 10R in a week. Hopefully we get that, because then that means someone could potentially win a funded account, not win, but pass a funded account in one single week, which would be amazing for me. And so that is my goal, try get 10R in a week. But in 2 weeks we got 9R or 9.5R or something like that, which is amazing anyways. But honestly, I'm not going to hold you guys for too long. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you like the trade recaps, kind of breakdowns of the trades that I take. If you like that, make sure you comment it down below. Let me know. Love to hear your feedback. And I will see you guys later.